Okay, it is that time again. We're giving seeds, and you can see how many sprouts I have. Ugh. Okay, that's take two. I went ahead and pulled out all the sprouts and threw them out for everybody. As you can see, everybody's coming to eat. There's my mottled houdon, which we're going to keep him. We're going to keep these two boys and the splash of my Polish. I'm probably going to try to sell or trade. I would rather trade. But my golden Beth Polish, which Rocky is back there. Rocky! 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 You can barely see him. And we're going to keep all the Cochins. But around here, Polishes are pretty, the blue-black slash Polish is very, very, very common. So, kind of hoping that somebody wants to get some new blood. Because I do have a pair of slash Polish. And then there's my little Silkie girls. But other than that, I think that's the only birds we're going to end up selling. Some of my chicks I plan to sell. But, I mean, that is just, you can look at them. They're having so much fun. Later today, I'm going to come out and put new pellets in the barn. So, I'll either wait till my husband gets home to help record me. Or, I don't know. Set up. It's kind of hard to set up outside by yourself. But anyways, there is your chick flick of the day. Oh, they have been going through, even with all the specials that I give them, which yesterday they got fermented food, they got eggs, scrambled eggs, and they still went through 10 cups of grower feed, and another, looks like close to another 10 cups today, even though they've had fermented foods and all that. I'm also working to change my percentage on my fermented food to where I'm getting more fermented food out of each jar. But that'll be another video. Anyways, have a great day, guys. Look at my babies! Here's something interesting when it comes to the food. If you see, that food is almost as high as when I put it in a few days ago. But they are eating all these goodies. And that is my Romeo. Romeo! So, and the sprouts are costing 2 cents a day. I need to figure out how much the fermented foods are. But the sprouts are 2 cents a day.